So guys, if you want to ship your goods through SkyJet, then this video is actually for you because that is what I'm going to be doing in this video, guys. So if you look at this section right here, you're going to see here says 5. So which means I have 5 goods at my warehouse right now that I want to apply to pack, guys. So let's just click on it. So let's click on apply to pack. So as you can see here, these are the 5 goods that I have here at my warehouse, guys, that I'm going to be shipping through SkyJet. So one thing is that before you ship your goods through SkyJet, firstly you have to decide what type of shipping method you want to use, whether it is air shipping or sea shipping, and the place your goods is going to be arriving, whether it is Lagos, Onisha, or I think Kaduna or Kano. So that's just it, because SkyJet can only ship to 3 places. So if you are living like Ondo, then you will ship to Lagos. Then you after Lagos, then you will wait bit to Ondo. So that's how it works, guys. So if you are living in, let's just say, Anambra, you will ship to Onisha, then you will be to Anambra. So that's how they do it, guys. So now let's just click on the product and everything. So I'm going to be clicking on all the 5 products. So that's it, guys. So I've clicked on everything now, and as you can see here says you can actually click here to select everything at once, guys. But as you can see here, this is what I want to show you. As you can see here says weight 1 kg, guys. So the goods I'm going to be shipping is 1 kg. So that is why I want to ship it through air, so that I can get it on time, because I'm shipping from my cousin. So I'm helping my cousin to buy some goods, guys. So that's why. So after you click on everything, or just select here to be extremely sure. So after you click on everything, and also one thing I also want to say is that I love SkyJet now, because SkyJet have updated a lot, because now you can actually see the exact weight of your goods. As you can see here, this 1 kg and 5, this is the exact weight. Before, they don't usually put the exact weight here, so that you won't know the exact weight. It is until after you apply to pack before you know the exact weight. But now you can see the exact weight of your product, because now they will scale your goods very well when your goods get to the warehouse. So that's one of the things I love about SkyJet now. So then you click on select order here. Let me highlight it. You click on select order here. So let's click on it. So after we click on select order here, as you can see here, I think I'll blow this section out, guys. So these are the goods these are the 5 like tracking ID, guys. So then you click here, select the destination warehouse. I'm going to be choosing Lagos Air. As you can see here, Kano, Onisha, Lagos, and Abuja. Now they have Abuja, so that's 4. There's Abuja, there's Kano, there is Onisha, and there is Lagos. So as you can see here, says Lagos Sea, Lagos Air. So we're going to be clicking on Lagos Air. So that's it. Then shipping type, you can see here, air cargo, general goods, air cargo, sensitive goods. So some people do not know the difference between general goods and sensitive goods. So general goods are goods that doesn't use what's it called? That doesn't use battery, that are not breakable. You get me, like that. So something like bag are not breakable and doesn't use battery. So something like, let's just say, chair. So chair are general goods and they are unbreakable. But if you talk about like AirPods, wristwatch, like glass, so those things are sensitive goods. But these things that I'm shipping are general goods, guys. So I click on general goods. Then the next thing is, you see this pay method, pay in Nigeria. Just leave it like that, pay in Nigeria. As you can see, I just say pay in Nigeria, pay in Nigeria. So just leave it like that, because you are actually paying in Nigeria. So the next thing is, as you can see here, says way be to other city. So these are for people that doesn't live in the 4 states that they ship to, guys. But me, I live in Lagos, so I don't need to select any of these. So that's it. But if you live in Abeokuta, just select in Abeokuta. If you live in, let's just say, Ado Ekiti, just select all these places. And then when your goods get to like Lagos, then they will just contact you and they will be your goods to you. So that's it. So you see this remark section, I do like to put remove unnecessary carton. Remove unnecessary carton. You see, remove unnecessary carton. So that's why I love doing it, because like if I put remove unnecessary carton, it means like they should help me to like suppress my goods well. So some carton that doesn't really necessary, they will remove it. Even though SkyJet doesn't remove carton, but they will help you to package your goods well. So I love putting it like that. You see this section that say, is it tax included? Click on yes. so they won't be taxing you again. So just click on yes. So the next thing is press OK, and that's all. You see, minimum charge 1 kg. If not up to 1 kg, you'll be charged 1 kg. So this means that the minimum shipping they can ship for air is 1 kg. So if your goods is not up to 1 kg, let's say it's 0.5 kg, they will charge you for 1 kg price. So that's one thing about SkyJet. And in fact, this is every shipping company. So every shipping company, their minimum kg is 1 kg. So that's it. Just click on OK, and that's all, guys. You see, operation successful. Click on return to member center, and then you can see here the goods is now in under packing. So before, when you click on this under packing, so you can see here, yes, it's waiting for confirmation. So the after everything is confirmed, this is where you will see your like the real kg, guys. But now it's not like that again. Now they have updated everything in SkyJet, guys, because now this is the exact kg of the goods, because I already asked my supplier, and the supplier has said that this is the exact kg. So everything now, so I what's it called? I checked the supplier CBN, like supplier kg, and also SkyJet kg. So it is the same thing. So that's actually a good thing, guys. So that's all. So now we just wait for everything to be confirmed, and then your goods will be shipped. So when your goods is shipped, it will get to like it will move to this shipment expected, guys. So that's all. You can see it is not something complicated at all. So that's just it. So if you have any question at all, just like drop it in the comment section, guys. So these are the things I bought, guys. So I want to show you what I bought. I use Pindodo a lot. I also use 1688, but my best thing is Pindodo. As you can see here, the neck chain, I bought it for her. This balm too. This is just like a boliki. I don't know if you know a boliki, like what's it called? A balm. So I bought it for her also. She can see here, this belt too. I bought the belt. This one too. I get this one, and that's all, guys. So the last one is on 1688. So let me check 1688 too. So that's what I bought. So it is not something that weigh much, guys. So that is why the what's it called? The kg is very very cheap, guys. So let's click on to receive. So this is the last thing. Show the picture. What's wrong with the connection? Okay, good. So this is the last thing. You see these leggings? As you can see here, these leggings. So that's what I got, guys. So if you have any question at all, like, or anywhere you don't understand, just drop it in the comment section, guys, and I'm going to be helping you out. And don't forget, guys, I also do procurement. So for people that doesn't like their ADP is not verified yet, so you can just like text me on WhatsApp, guys, and I will help you to buy your goods for you, and they will like ship it to your warehouse and everything. So when your goods get to Nigeria or your country, you are going to be receiving your goods, guys. So thank you for watching this another educative video, guys. If you find this video helpful, guys, so make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.